Hey guys, I have my bird today. Her name recently is Ducky, and I got her 2 days ago, but I can't decide on a name. So I've seen people do this thing where they set their bird down and let them pick a name. And I have, Ducky is what we're with now. We have Coco, and we also have Luna/Lulu. So I can't decide, but I think, okay, I think I want Ducky or Coco. I actually don't know. Okay, do you wanna pick? Do you want to pick? Good. You're not gonna pick? Wait, maybe put some seeds on them? She's getting scared from Charlie. Charlie, the little chipmunk. Come here, look. Or maybe I'll just mix them up and pick one with my eyes closed. Okay. Since Ducky, won't pick. You won't pick for me. Here, go on my head. Okay, so please don't poop on my head. Anyways, we're gonna mix them up. I'm gonna look this way, guys.
Pictures, worshippers, squats and reserves, 500, chapter 17. Lesson. Mars must fall.
Let's see.
The shepherd's gone. I shall.
Mama! Luna!
She picked Luna? I like Luna.
No, I picked Luna. Because she wouldn't do anything.
Oh, she wouldn't.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Tootie, tootie, tootie. Hey, I'm making a video.
Pretty, pretty bird, pretty, pretty bird.
Who's a pretty bird? Do you like this? She does. You like it? Oh no, that's paper. No. She looks hungry still. Here, let's give her a nut. Good. Good. Is that good? You split it in half. Look. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I think I'm gonna go with Luna. Ow! Can you file your beak down, please? Please. Oh my god. Guys, she's fine. She's okay. Ow! Want to say hi to the camera? Okay. I'm gonna bring you back to your room. Love you.